Hi guys, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market where I'll be finding out the prices of the produce that you'll be needing this week. Today I have a budget of $2,500 and we're gonna find out what that can get us in the market. Let's go shopping. Richard, how are you?
Fine, fine.
What are the market prices like this week?
Well, the market take time I go in a direction where we did a talk about from the other week, you know. Because everything trending up. Because watch you know, everything I go up and scrap get smaller in a quantity, prices rise. So, for now, you can't come get like a sitting, but you have to pay like a dearer as the weeks go by.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.